Hello everyone! Bitcoin has officially hit $100,000. This milestone has brought even more attention to the incredible opportunities of cryptocurrency. Welcome to Crypto Gaga, your starting point for mastering the world of AI and crypto. If you are interested in trading, investing, and growing your assets, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. What's today's topic? How to create a great trading bot on Binance. Trading bots has revolutionized the way we approach trading. Unlike manual trading, bots don't require constant marketing monitoring. They execute tradings 24/7. They are completely emotionless, making rational decisions without fear and greed. However, trading bots come with risk. Always ensure you understand the tools before you are using them. So, in this video, I will give you a beginner's guide to great trading bots. We will cover step-by-step setup instructions, how to configure the parameters, and more importantly, I'll give you essential tips to maximize performance and reduce risks. So first, what is great trading? Great trading is one of the most popular strategies for both beginners and seasoned traders. It's surprisingly simple. Buy low and sell high. The bot divides a present price range into multiple levels. When the price drops, the bot buys. When the price rises, the bot sells. In this way, it allows us to capture the profits as the price fluctuated within this range. So, are you excited to try it by yourself? Let's dive in. There are many platforms that offer great trading. For today's demonstration, we're using Binance. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the video description below to sign up. Through this link, you will not only support this channel, but also enjoy a 10% discount on trading fees and an extra sign-up bonus. And if you are new to Binance, don't worry. I've created a detailed tutorial on how to register and deposit funds. Check it out if you need it. So here is the Binance page. First, we log into our Binance account. Go to Trade. Click Trading Bot. In this video, we will try Spot Grid. So click Create here. There are 3 parameters here. First one is price range. We should define the upper and lower limits of this range. For example, we can use a monthly candlestick to identify the resistance and the supporting levels. The lower limit, I will set it to 90500. The resistance level, I will set it as 104088. That's a setting for price range, just for your reference. And the second one is the number of grids. In short terms, it means how many grids you want to divide this range into. Here, it indicates us we can put a number between 2 to 170. The number of grids, it influences our potential profit margins. Since we're in a bull market, I recommend setting a profit rate at around 1%. This strikes a good balance between profitability and trading activity. So I will try 20. Oh, the profit is between 0.45 to 0.54. It's a little bit low. Let's try 12. Okay, now it's between 0.89 to 1.04. Suitable. So the second number of grades is settled. The third one is investment. It means how much money you want to put into it. We can just drag this bar here to adjust. So for demonstration, I'll put 2K here. For the advanced settings, make sure you click the box Sell all BTC on stop, which means if you close this order, all the BTC in this order will be sold. Once all these 3 parameters are set, we can just click Create to activate this bot. And then the bot will automatically trade within the range we settled, capturing profits as the price moves, and it's 24/7. So that's a simple demonstration of how to create a trading bot on Binance. While the great trading is a very powerful tool, it's not without risks. If the price goes up quickly and it goes out of your range, all of your BTC will be sold, and it will be converted into USDT, the stable coin. And on the contrary, if the price drops very quickly and it goes out of your bottom line, all of your USDT will be changed into BTC. So now you may see, to maximize profits, it's very important that the price of the BTC remains within our range. This is a very quick introduction to great trading. In future videos, I will dive deeper into advanced strategies and parameter settings to help you optimize your trading bot. Make sure to subscribe the channel Crypto Gaga and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!